Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aries, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys, we are picking few cards, Aries. So these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation, guys. Aries. So if you want more clarity, Aries, I also have a pick a card love reading right after this general energy. So you can stay tuned for that, guys. Let's start with these cards here, guys. So we have Fortitude, Ten of Suns, and the Moon in reverse. So with these cards in your situation today, guys, Aries, you are someone who is really, very skilled, talented, and you are a very courageous person, and you have strength and determination. So whatever your situation is, you try to find the right solution, and you are someone eager, willing to go through anything to reach success. And you are very strong and strong at heart and courageous person. And maybe for some of you, you turn to people, maybe your friends or family, at the times of need when you are in some maybe making some crucial decisions. You take people's suggestion and you face any situation without fear, and you have a great uh, determination, and you are someone with that courage and confidence, guys. And wherever you are, you command attention, and people look up to you for guidance and support, or they look up to you. Maybe they, if they need any help, they come to you for your support, guys. And you are someone who is very talented, Aries. And today, Aries, I also see that for some of you, there are some things happening in your career situation or personal life. It may be something unexpected, something maybe some events. It may be stressful, maybe some suspensions or delays in your work, or some mistakes, or something you did in your past is coming back. Maybe your mistakes, whatever you did, it's coming back to you. Some kind of troubles or something is stressing you, guys. Because of your mistakes, you are in some kind of a difficult situation today, guys, Aries. And you have a lot of burdens, and you are someone who is very responsible, and you are trying your best, trying hard to hold on. Maybe, guys, Aries, if you are able to hold on to these difficult times, weather these storms, you are going to be really successful, guys, Aries. If you just handle this situation today, if you have that capacity, you are going to be really successful in life, guys. Maybe this energy, it may be in your career situation, or it may be in your personal life. So you are going through some difficult times in your relationship, say maybe some misunderstandings with this person you love. But if you have that patience, today you are going to succeed in this relationship, guys, able to build a beautiful connection with this person. So let's see what is the card for your relationship first. We have Seven of Moons in reverse. So with this card in your situation, guys, relationship, you have that strength and determination, just like we saw with the previous cards. You are someone willing to go to any extreme to make things work, guys. So it is the similar energy with these cards, guys. So you are willing to do anything for this love, for this person. You have this you have determination, strong willpower to make things work for you, and you have great plans, and you don't want to falsify those plans, guys. So you are trying to make this person understand you, trying your best. So that is the energy with this card, guys. Let's see what is the card for your career situation. It is Ace of Stars. So with this card in your career situation, guys, and that is in reverse, guys. So you are you understand what is the reason for the troubles you are facing in your career situation, guys, the heart of the issue. So that is coming out right before your eyes. So you have realized your mistakes, Aries. So that is the energy with these cards, guys. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. So this is your first card and this is your second card. Or you can think about these crystals and meditate. Maybe you may have some questions or doubts. You can think about it. Close your eyes and meditate for a few seconds. Then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card and move on to this card, guys. So let's start the reading after a few seconds. Okay, guys. So for those who chose this first card, I will keep this card aside. Let's see what is the card. This is a crystal for y'all. And the card is Blood Angel. So these are Rumi cards, guys. These cards are based on poet Rumi's poetry. So this card just means that this oracle card, it comes with a special message, guys. So today you are given the gift of more life. So to experience this growth or that energy in your life, you need to understand that to have that essence, to live that essence, you are maybe you need to face some unavoidable situations, guys, experiences. So there may be lot of painful experience you may go through in life, because life is all about balance. When you are opening yourself to receive more, you need to understand that you need to empty whatever you have in you, guys. Maybe your past, whatever hurt you feel or you would have felt, you should empty all that. And it is an exchange that is happening in your situation, guys, compensating for what is coming to you. So maybe there will be a great loss you suffer, emotional or psychological changes you may see, and you are going to release all that, whatever you have, to receive whatever is coming towards you, guys. And maybe for some of you, that darkness of grief or maybe some hurtful feelings that you have, all that is going to clear up in the coming days, guys, or maybe very soon. So you need to be ready to endure the sadness or stress or grief in order to enjoy the beautiful things that are coming towards you, guys. And this card also comes with a special blessing of well-being and vitality in your life, guys. For those who have chosen this card, that is the reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card and the second crystal. So this is the second crystal and this is the second card. So the card is Rapunzel, liberation. So with this card, guys, the energy is that maybe for some of you, you are trying to isolate yourself. You are trying to block people from your life. You don't want anyone near you. You are trying to be alone, shunning people, maybe friends or family, whoever it is, and you are trying to protect yourself from them, and you have become someone who is not easily to be accessed. So you have some past hurting you, maybe some heavy thoughts, some negative emotions. Maybe it is time you liberate yourself from this isolation, guys. And maybe you're escaping from facing your world, maybe the outside situation, your friends or family, or this person. Someone is coming interested in you. You are not ready to face them. You are escaping from every situation because of some negative thoughts or some heaviness in your heart. Maybe it is time for you to give up these negative thoughts or all the attachments that you have. And maybe the wait is over, guys. Maybe you spent too much time alone. That time is over now, and you need to see life with a different perspective, and you need to free yourself from your heavy thoughts. You are the one who can free yourself from this situation, guys. No one can help you other than you yourself. So you have to come out of this isolation, some kind of separation you are experiencing today. You are the reason for that, but because you are not ready to face the outside world. So you need to have that courage in your heart and come out of your situation and release yourself from your past. Maybe your past has hurt you a lot. You need to release yourself of all those negative emotions that you have within you, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who have chosen this card, that is the reading, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.